All right, today is Zippo Saturday, and here's a fun fact. The original Vienna sausage, which is America's favorite, made by Armour, is not made in Vienna. Let's see if we can find out where it is made. Okay, there it is, made in the USA, and is made by the Conagra Brands Company in Chicago, Illinois. That's good to know. Let's take a look at one of these Zippos. This is a brand new one, and it says Stars and Stripes, the flag design. It's got the special second box, the white box, and Zippo manufacturing is in Bradford, PA. Now on the inside it's got the normal black box with the idiotic P65 on it. So this is the Stars and Stripes design, and it is a premium Zippo. It's got those little mirrors, made in USA, mirrors on 3 sides. So you can see it's well coated on most of the sides except for the bottom, of course. Very good stampings on the brass body. D, April of 23, Bradford, PA, made in USA. Good sound, lights up nice. Let's do a quick drop test on this flag USA USA flag design. So it did pass the kind of a short drop test. That's a good one. And here's the other one. I've had this for quite a few years. I was in the Navy for many years. And it was made in, oh, you can see some of the coating is coming off right there. Right there. But you can see it was made in C, March of 2000. So this thing is 24 years old. It's got the nice navy blue coating on it. And I put a brass colored insert in it. It looks a little bit better like that. Of course, this one lights up really good. Let's do a quick drop test on this navy Zippo. Okay, of course the navy one passes every time. United States Navy Zippo and the United States flag. Definitely deserve cowbell. Knuckle bump.